After your reaction to the bitch slap. Somebody go hit the coroner, it's been a mishap. This was a real altercation and no fucking diss rap. Thinking about fucking with us and you taking the big nap. All of the drama because of the sound, you got it because of the bitch slap. Everybody's got an expiration date, but you running your mouth can make your day to ride faster. You come up in my circle with that other shit, I'm sure that we can help you out and take you to your master. Let's go! Bitch slap! Quick cap! Bitch slap! Quick! Funk is the condition, won't give up submission. Wrong as fuck for hissing at the throne to bust the clip and hush the tripping. Got a strong enough description, you don't listen, you slip it. This expression doesn't apply to women, just to men when utterly sinning. Gonna be winning souls within them when the blast goes. Especially if you don't see no kind of grinning after you look